In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a position in MT5. Now to do this, it's actually super simple. First, you want to find whatever asset you want to trade or open a position in. So I'm going to go to my market watch over here, and I'm just going to go to, for example, Euro USD, right click, and then chart window. There we go. I can now see my chart. And to actually open a position, you could either press new order up top or press the F9 key on your keyboard. Now, whenever you do this, you'll basically have to select a few things. So the market type you have, or not the market, but the order type. So you have market, limit order, or stop limit order. Select the one you want to do. I'm going to go with market right now. Here you can select your volume or of course lot size. So like this, you can type it in manually or just use the arrows up or down. You can add stop loss and a take profit if you want to as well. It's not necessary, but of course, if you want to trade that way, you can do it. And then you could go and of course set the fill policy and the comment as well if you want to add it. I'm not going to do it right now. I don't have anything to add. And then you can just click on buy or sell, and whenever you do this, you've successfully opened a position, which you can see down here inside your trade tab. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.